Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see what kinds of things we can do to improve our communication skill and on which platform where we can go or we can take the help to improve our communication skill. So in this video we will talk only about these things. So if you are new here, then you should subscribe my channel. So here is the video and the name of three app which has been mentioned here, and first name is live audio chat, and second is speak English online practice, third is hello speak English with natives. So do you know, most of the people they say, sir, I can I can frame out the sentence and I am able to understand, but I am not able to speak fluence, and we have no such atmosphere where we can go, where we can surround ourselves, where we can communicate with the person. As you know, the condition in our country, it cannot be done, but reality is that it cannot be done. It can be done by only yourself. If you have decided you want to improve your communication skill, then you can do it, otherwise it cannot be done. You should download this app because this app is very helpful to improve your communication skill, because you will find out so many people from different countries they are using, and they are also using this app just because of to improve their communication skills. So you can communicate with them, you can make friend, you can you can become friend, or you can share your thoughts, you can take knowledge from the your partner. So the these all things, it would be great for you. And you know, by doing hard work, it can be done. You can improve your communication skills. So better is that wasting your time. You should download and you should check out once, because you already you have done so many things to improve your communication skills. Then why you should not download this app? Because this app is very helpful, because I also use this app and I am telling you it would be grateful. And by using this app, you would be able to improve your communication skill. Just you have to download this app and you have to use at least for 30 minutes for the day. And by doing these all things gradually, your English, it would be very awesome, and you will see and you will say like, oh yes, it is working. So you should download this app.